Alright, we have our facts for today, and then we are going to, on our left pane here, we are going to select and install video cards. So let's start up. We'll go into our motherboard and see what we have inside. Alright, so we need a video card. So let's start with this one. What are the details of this? The connectors. It doesn't have a HDMI, and part of our requirements is video card using HDMI cable. Alright, so close this. This one doesn't have the HDMI. Let's look at the connectors. Alright, so this has a HDMI and DVI. Exactly what we need. So this is what we need. So let's fix this inside the motherboard, and we have to connect the PCIe power. This is the slot here. So we'll go into our power supply and look for PCIe cable. So this is IDE low. This is PCIe power supply. So this is what we need to connect it here. Alright, that is done. So let's go close up the CPU and let's go for our cable. No cables. What kind of cables do we need? We need a DVI cable, and we also need a you need a HDMI cable. Alright, so let's go to the back of this computer. Back. We already have a DVI cable, and it says connect the left monitor to the newly installed video card using the HDMI cable. So let's get our HDMI cable first. HDMI cable, one goes into the HDMI port and connect the left monitor to the newly installed HDMI. Okay, so this is the monitor on the left. Let's go to the back and we connect our HDMI cable. The other end is going in here. Alright, so let's go to the front. We're through with the left monitor. Let's go to the right monitor. So for the right monitor, what are we doing? Let's go to the back. Okay, DVI cable is already connected on the monitor, but on the CPU it is not connected to the newly installed video card. So let's remove this and connect it to the newly installed video card according to our instruction here. Alright, so let's go to the front of these. Go to the front of these, and is there anything we need to do again? Let's turn on our monitor. Alright, it's okay. So what are we to do next? It says, alright, configure the display properties to show the start menu and taskbar on the left monitor. On the left monitor, configure the relationship of the two monitors to reflect a placement of both monitors with the new monitor 2 on the left as the main display. Monitor 2 on the left. So this here. Let's set up a monitor on the left. Make this our main display. This monitor on the left. Monitor 2 will come here and still become our main display. Alright, So let's go over, and this will remain monitor 2, this is monitor 1, but will no longer be our main display. Let's check our answers. Everything is correct now. If this was helpful, you may want to consider liking and subscribing.